Hello everyone, welcome back to Janice S's channel, and today I will be showing you on how to make this really simple smoothie. And I know I made a lot of drinks in the past, like smoothies and just regular juices, but in this case I think it's very important for me to share with you on a special fruit that I really enjoy drinking and eating it as well. And this is going to be called a honeydew smoothie. And the good things about this honeydew is that it contains a lot of nutrients, has a lot of vitamins, and it does a lot of good things for your health. Let me tell you a little bit about the benefits about having honeydew. It contains a lot of potassium, it has calcium, they're high in vitamin C. It's good for your skin, especially if you have like wrinkles that you want to get rid of. This is really good for that type of stuff. It has high in collagen, like for saggy skin that you want to get rid of. It's good for your eyes, and it boosts your immune system for some people that have poor immune system. Drinking this juice or a smoothie, it actually helps you, and it's a delicious drink. So let me go ahead and explain to you on how to make this healthy honeydew smoothie. Okay, the ingredients that I will be using today will consist of just a couple of things here. First of all, I already went ahead and I already diced my honeydew. But before you start making this smoothie, make sure you wash the honeydew very well, and then you remove all the seeds inside. And then once you have that washed, then you would dice the honeydew into small pieces. And today for this smoothie, I will also be adding an apple, and it can be any kind of apple of your choice, but today I will be using this red apple today. So once I have this all cut up, I will also start cutting my apples. And the reason why I kind of held back a little bit on cutting my apple is because a lot of times when I cut it out too early, they start to turn a little brown. But I like it to be nice and fresh, so I'll just remove all the seeds and the stem from my apple. And this is one of my favorite drinks, especially because I've been doing my mile walks in the evening every day for the last about 8 or 9 months. And after I finish doing my mile walk, I always like to have something healthy. And this is one of the drinks that I actually drink after my exercise. And I heard people, and I've also read about it too, that eating honeydew on a daily basis, it actually helps you lose weight. And the reason is because honeydew is a low-calorie fruit, and so it has a lot of good benefits about the honeydew. So I know a lot of people now, especially with this COVID-19, I see a lot of people exercising, and that's really important for you. And it's also important for me to stay healthy, eat healthy, and this is a really good drink to have at least once a day, but actually I have it more than once a day. I have it like after my lunch, and then after dinner, and then when I come back home in the evening from my walk, and then I have another glass of these, and it just makes me feel really good. So now, since I already finished cutting up my apples, I will also be adding 1 cup of milk. And you can add as much milk as you want, but today I will be using 1 cup because I already cut half of the honeydew. So I won't be doing the whole honeydew today, just half of it. So then that consists of less milk. And then I will add 1 tablespoon of sugar into this smoothie. So the first thing that I will do is I will start putting the fruit into my blender. And I like to add a little milk in my smoothie, but also you can add some water if you don't like milk. So there's different things you can do with these kinds of smoothies. Some people, they like to add cucumber, they like to add peaches with their honeydew all mixed in, but that's all up to you. I mean, I found out that if I just make the honeydew by itself with some water or milk, it actually tastes a little bit different than when you add a different fruit into your smoothie. It gives it a better flavor, sweeter, and to me, I like that. But I mean, you can have it plain as well, but I like to add some fruit to it. And I also made in one of my recipes an Asian pear. That's another good one. That one I added some fruit, I added some milk, and then I added an orange in there, and that really gave it a lot of flavor. So now, since I have the honeydew, 1 apple in there, the 1 cup of milk, now I will add 1 tablespoon of sugar. And the sugar is optional. If you don't want to add sugar, that's okay. But I'll just add a little bit of sugar in there. So now I am ready to start blending in all my fruits in my blender. And then we'll just blend it in for a couple of minutes until all our fruit is all blended in. So let me get this going, okay? Okay, I'll mix it a little bit more because it still has like little chunks of the apples in there, so I'll just blend it in a little longer. My smoothie is all ready now, and I'm ready to pour it into my glass. Let's see how it looks. Oh yeah, so refreshing, so good. Okay. If you are going to drink this right away, that's good, but like sometimes I like to put them in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, and a lot of times the smoothie on the top, it starts to get a little bit thick, and actually I get a spoon and I stir it a little bit so it gets a little bit smoother touch, and that won't be so thick when you want to drink it. So here are the drinks, and well, I want to say to everyone, thank you for joining me today. And if you're into cooking, into crocheting, please subscribe to my channel because I will be introducing to you a lot more videos out there that I'm pretty sure everybody would like. So please subscribe to my channel, and I will also be putting some more videos maybe today or sometime this week on how to make Halloween decorations. And if you're into crocheting, that's one of the videos that I will be posting. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. See you. Bye.